G'day, I'm Mick and welcome to Feather and Bone Kitchen. You might have saw it in our last video that Steve, our butcher, showed us how to debone a lamb shoulder, wrap it up, tie it. Lovely. No one's got time for that right at home. So what we're going to do today, I'll show you how to do slow roast lamb shoulder the easy way. So first, the lamb shoulder, we're going to make some incisions in this lamb shoulder. We're going to shove it with garlic, thyme, rosemary, and our little baby's here, anchovy. Anchovy, beautiful with lamb. So our second step, we've got this veg, we're going to cut it up, roast it off, deglaze, put it with the lamb. Then, go over to the stove. Let's go. Pan, hot, touch of oil. Now you want to get it to a medium heat first before you add any vegetable. Mirepoix, veg. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Next, Dijon mustard and tomato paste. About the same amount of both. A tablespoon and a half. Just come and have a look at this. Now starting to catch a little bit on the pan, so now's the time to deglaze. Sherry vinegar. Pinot. Why not? Then we're going to scrape the bottom of the pan a little bit. And we're just going to add a touch of water to the pan now. And we'll bring this quickly to the boil. Then we grab a tray. Veg in. What we're making here is a little trivet for the lamb shoulder to sit on. So now we have our veg. Lamb on. Season. Massage it all in there. Boom. So lamb in. So the oven's been preheated to 200 degrees. We knock it down to 140 in the oven. Forget about it for 3.5 hours. Alright guys, so we're back. So we preheated the oven before, 200 degrees. Drop it to 140. It will take 3.5 hours. The last final stages, crank it up, 200 degrees, 30 minutes, and you get that lovely golden crisp color on the top. Something like that, little baby. This one here, push in, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Remove. And then we have the blade, which is here, and this should come out nice and easily actually. There we go. So these bones here, that can all come out in one piece. There's a lot of meat in there as well, which we're going to pick down. We'll definitely save that. Voila. So that's our slow roast lamb shoulder. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.